All right, here's a mistake most real estate investors make. They use their own cash to renovate investment properties and unknowingly lock it in the walls. And if your goal is to get the most cash out, safety isn't your friend. Leverage is. So let me explain. The purchase price on this deal, $70,000. Renovation costs $43,000. So total costs all in, it's $113,000. So hey, so the thought is, well, hey, I want to cash out after I renovate it. Hey, it'd be worth, let's say, $230,000 after it's renovated. But here's the problem. Most lenders want to see seasoning. So lenders don't reward effort, they reward value. And so 75% of 113,000 is $84,750. Now, doing it that way, you're going to lose a lot on the table. Now, the one question is, well, why? Well, if you do an ARV loan, we're part of the process. And we know because ARV loans, us as the lenders, we don't look backward, we look forward. So we take the after repair value, in this case, 230,000. 75% of that when it's renovated is $172,500. So using the ARV loan is like refinancing a finished painting instead of reimbursed for painting costs. Well, the question will be, well, why the seasoning? Well, true, but seasoning isn't risk. It's timing. But if you do an ARV loan, you don't have to worry about seasoning. What about the appraisal risk? Well, that's why experienced investors don't gamble, they comps. And ARV is again is based on that future value. Higher rates. Well, rate is the price of access. Equity is the prize. So if you're a higher velocity can want to do deals, then ARV loan. Well, what about complexity? Well, complex doesn't mean dangerous, it means intentional. And if you have someone who can explain to you or have patience on exactly how it works, then I would definitely go with that person. Now, this isn't about cash versus ARV, it's about comfort versus control. So, cash is a mattress. ARV is a lever. So now who should use ARV loans? Investors optimizing for velocity, investors recycling capital, investors playing offense, not defense. Now, who should not? Well, maybe if you're first timer without reserve, or investors who can't float delays, or anyone who needs certainly over scale. Now, if your goal is peace of mind, use cash. If your goal is maximum cash out, ARV wins. Because safety feels good today, leverage builds freedom tomorrow.